Okay guys, I got a Tundra here. My problem is my seat belt will not go in here. A lot of times something will get in here and you can fish it out, or maybe work this, but this for some reason it won't come out, or it won't let nothing in. I'm gonna replace it. This is easy to replace. Here's my new one, and here's the part number. And as you can see, it's just one bolt, a 14mm bolt. Let's go ahead and lift the seat up here. Alright. And here's it is. And it's literally take this bolt out, this will come off, and then we'll put the new one on. I know it has like springs and stuff. It looks kind of like intimidating maybe, but don't worry about the springs though, they won't move around. Get yourself a 14mm. Go ahead and get this on here. Go ahead, do this until it comes all the way off. Alright, and once it's loose, so you can just pop it off. Like I said, that spring won't move around or nothing. So, let's get our new one here. Match it up. Okay, matches. As you can see, it has this little tab right here. This tab goes in this hole. There's a hole right here, put that in there. Like that. And then we'll go ahead and get this threaded in and going. Alright, tighten this down, and while I'm tightening it, I'm going to make sure that that black tab is going in the hole right there. Go ahead and keep going until it's tight. Alright guys, so let's get it pretty tight. And again, make sure that tab goes in that side hole right there. Alright, and that's it for this one. It's nice and tight. If you have to do one over here, it's just right there on this seat. And let's see. The center seat one would be right here. I think there'd be a bolt on the ground there. Okay, go ahead and bring the seat down. It should go right here. Buckle this up here, make sure it works. All right, good.